Nice and lovely. So basically, I got some spinach. Quick salad recipe. It's gonna be rice salad. All right. Some celery, which I'm cutting up at the moment. All right. Look at that. Very easy recipe. Some fresh coriander. And some dry chili. Some pepper. Pinch of apple cider vinegar. Very easy recipe. And 100% you guys can make this at home. Some olive oil. Got some red onion. I'm gonna be using radish. Nice one. So let's give it a lovely spin. Just fold it around a couple times well in the bowl. Alright, so we have some rice, which I'm going to be using, and some chicken. Alright, so basically this is some chicken leg. You just want to just remove the meat off the chicken. So you just want to look for the meat. Look at that. Beautiful. So you want to just get that fleshy bit. And then, simple, remove the rice, pour it straight inside of the bowl like this. Fantastic. Beautiful. So fold it in just like this. Nice. And that's exactly what you need. Beautiful. once you do that, guys, then secondly, it's easy. Beautiful one. Rice and spinach. With chicken. Look at that. Fantastic dish. This is a marvelous recipe. You guys definitely can make at home. Take the time out to say thank you for watching. Stay tuned and don't forget to follow me on Instagram and Twitter, Facebook, and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Alright?